Hello and welcome back to QuickTechie. Now let's check another interview round for the same candidate. We are selecting the same interview full-stack Java developer for IBM. As a recruiter, you have already evaluated first round of interview. Recruiter know that candidate did good in first round of interview. Hence, he can schedule a next round of interview with candidate. Hence, he will click the email and share for second interview round. In the second round, it's multiple choice question and answer interview. Now let's go to the candidate's email box. Candidate should be able to see an email from the QuickTechie for their interview schedule. To launch the interview, candidate has to click on the link. It is the same process for all interview round. However, for each candidate, for each interview round a unique link is generated. Also, unique code is important for each interview round. Candidate now need to enter their email ID, which must be same what they had been shared or registered with recruiter. Entire process is driven by email ID, and also they need to enter unique code shared in same email to launch the interview round. In the start interview exam screen, candidate can see a link to demo video in left panel, and in the right panel, candidate can see the entire instructions for the interview round. After reading the entire instructions and demo video, candidate can click on the start interview process. Please note that candidate has to finish this entire interview in one sitting. Once interview started, it needs to be finished in given timeline. Now candidate click start interview process. It will take few minutes to create enter interview exam for given job descriptions. All questions and options are generated, highly contextualized and job specific. Once start interview exam button is clicked, candidate must wait for few minutes. It can take up to 2 to 10 minutes to generate the interview exam. Now we can see that interview exam is generated, and all multiple choice questions and answers are visible for candidate to appear in the exam. As you can see in this exam, almost 25 to 30 multiple choice questions are given to candidate to appear. In the right top corner you can see candidate video is also recorded. Candidate must make sure that their audio and video permission are available, and headphone is must to appear in any interview round. On top of the candidate webcam video, exam countdown time is also shown. Candidate must finish the entire interview exam in this give time limit, and all time they must be in front of webcam. If video is not recorded, candidate can be rejected by recruiter. Interview instructions are available for entire interview duration. Now let's say candidate start appearing the interview exam. As you can see, each question is very specific to given job description, and for all candidate interview round different set of interview questions are generated. Hence, all the interview standards are maintained, no exam printing and nothing. Even you can see to maintain the standard questions a single response as well as multiple response. So it is so easy to create highly standard interview exam. Now let's quickly attempt all the questions. We will not go through all questions but will try to give random answer for this demonstration. Anytime before submitting your exam, you can change answers to questions as well after reviewing. Now, candidate can submit their exam by giving answer to all the questions. We can see 12 minutes are remaining, but we can still submit the same. Please note that once submit exam button is clicked, it would be immediately submitted. Once exam is submitted, you can see this screen and candidate cannot perform any action. Now as recruiter, you can go to your QuickTechie dashboard and check the interview status for the candidate. As you can see, candidate had already submitted the interview, and interview status is assess. As in this case, QuickTechie engine itself do the assessment and evaluation immediately as soon as candidate submit interview. Hence, even if you click the launch button, you can see the score for the interview exam. Even if you go under assess interview section, you can see the result candidate interview round. Now let's go back to dashboard and interview operations center to download PDF report of the candidate overall progress. Now, once we download PDF and open it, we can see the same resume screening section, first round of interview and second round of interview detail. In case of second round of interview, candidate has scored 30% marks. Let's check each field of second round. First is interview round, in this case second round. Now interview start time, it shows when interview was started, time shown is UTC. Next is interview end time, when candidate has submitted its interview exam. Interview duration gives the detail how long candidate took to appear in interview. Feedback analysis is to show what percentage is interview questions are correct. Then feedback, and last what stage is the interview. In this case, interview is in evaluation stage, which is final stage for a particular interview round. Thanks for watching. Now in next video we will cover the next round of interview.